Another project and another product missing. Hello friends, welcome back to my corner of the internet. As you guys can see from the title, today I am doing my whole collection project pan update. I have products here that I randomize through an app, so you guys know everything will be down in the description box. Supposedly it's supposed to be 5 products. Again, I'm missing one, but there is a reason why. So I'm going to update you guys. This project has 5 uses on each product, so I will go through each and every one of them. I'm excited about this one. I can't remember what the prompts were, but I'm sure I can kind of wing it. So I'm assuming that I had a cream bronzer. It seems like this project likes to have me do, what is it called? What is that project called? The one with all the cream and liquids in it. I can't remember what it's called. I'm sure one of you guys put it in the comment section. I'll put it up on the screen. But it seems to be that this project is becoming that because that's all I keep rolling in here. But anyway, the first product was my Danessa Myricks Red Velvet blush. So I'm assuming I had a cream blush. This is so beautiful. So beautiful, you guys. I just love her formula. And this, for being a red blush, I'm so happy I have it in a mini because I don't need that much. It is beautiful. This is probably, I would say, like my second red blush that I ever got somehow, and I love it. I truly do love this one. This was beautiful, and I can see myself using this all year round, so this is perfect. I used it the 5 times, and it was stunning each and every time. Then I'm assuming we brought in a shadow stick of some sort, so I decided to bring in this Half Magic Beige Mystique liner or eyeshadow stick. You guys, I wore down the actual like triangle that it has. So this is what the product looks like. I wore this as a topper as an inner corner highlight. It was so beautiful. It was perfect for those days where I wanted something extra for my look, but I didn't know what else to put on there. I would just put it on there and just like spread it out, and it's so beautiful. This is so versatile. If you like that glittery look without it being glitter or glitter fallout all over your face, these shadow sticks are so phenomenal. I love them. Half Magic really does glitter well. Like if you're looking for a glitter product, I would highly recommend Half Magic. They're really good at that. Then we brought in I guess it was a cream highlighter, and I only have one in my collection. That is the MAC Buttercream, you guys. I just saw that MAC released a whole entire line of highlighters in this form. I was so excited. I'm hoping bronzers come next. Honestly, I love this. I loved every single bit of it. I do want to get at least 2 or 3 of those highlighters, but I'm going to wait till like the holiday season, ask them for Christmas, waiting for a good sale. I'm not going to jump on it because I'm trying to be really good at not jumping on the latest, but I'm going to get them, you guys. I have like 2 or 3 that I really am interested in. But this, used it 5 times, and this just solidified to me how much I'm going to love that because it just gave me a glow within. Super beautiful on the skin. I really loved it. Then I brought in my Say Star Glow highlighter. I'm assuming it was a liquid highlighter that I had to bring in. And you guys, I completely finished this off. I had told you guys that I was most likely going to finish this off. This was basically brand new when I brought it in. And I used this to mix in with my lotions, and it looks so beautiful on my skin. I really did like it. It's a beautiful formula. I wouldn't personally repurchase any of these kind of liquid because I'm not one to use them on the face as often. But this one, I loved it all over the face. So this is actually an empty, or all over the body, I'm sorry. But this is an empty, and I'm very excited about it. I didn't realize they had different colors of this. I ended up with Star Glow, which I'm assuming is a lighter version, but it was beautiful nevertheless. So I enjoy that. Last but not least, Too Faced, you do me wrong every time with the lips. So I brought in my Too Faced Lip Balm lip gloss, and I put it on twice. Boy, first of all, I didn't realize it was a plumping lip gloss. It said lip balm, so I assumed that it was going to be chill, relaxed on my lips. No ma'am, no ma'am. That sucker was burning on my lips. I said, all right, Alex, suck it up and try to use it the 5 uses. I used it the second time. I woke up the next day with chronically dry lips. I said, oh, hell no. We're going to throw this away and we're not going to use it. So I ended up tossing that. I ended up throwing it away. I was not interested in it. There was no way, shape, or form was I going to torture myself wearing something like that, and I didn't want to pass it along to anybody else since I already put it on my lips, and it was not the best. I just don't like anything plumping. Personally, I can't do plumping lip products. I would rather use a lip liner to kind of contour my lips because my lips don't like it. It dries them up so bad, and then the inside of my lips get all ripped up. So it's not worth it to me, guys. It's not worth it. So I ended up tossing that one and throwing it away. So I don't have that one. All right. Here's the moment where we are going to roll in 5 more categories. So let me pull it up on my iPad, make sure that this is cleared out because I don't want to, let me put this here like this so you guys can see it. And here's the first one. Oh, the sound. Another cream blush. Another cream blush. All right, that's the first one. Let's see, second one. A lip gloss. Okay, I think I have one for that. Then next, liquid eyeshadow. Okay. Fourth, eyeshadow duo. And then the last one, pressed pigment. Those are new ones. Okay. So let's see, history, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so here are my 5 products. I am excited to pull these out. So give me a minute to see what we're going to be working on this round. Okay, so I picked my 5 products. So let's start out with the first one, which was the cream blush. So for that, I decided to bring in my oldest cream blush because I keep neglecting it. I've had so many new formulas in my collection and so many liquid and things that I've been neglecting her. And this is my oldest cream blush at this point. I love this one still. I wore it the other day and I still love it. So this is the ColourPop Darling in the Tinkerbell collection. I really, really love this one. I am so happy that more and more cream blushes have come out like this color because at the time this was very unique to me. Now I have similar ones, so I don't feel bad, but this is still going strong. So I'm going to use that one for 5 times. Everything is 5 uses. Then a lip gloss. So I decided to bring in this one. This is the one I'm currently using. This is the Hard Candy Glasstopia in the shade Scarlet Bliss. So 5 uses. I am pretty sure I'm going to use this a heck of a lot more, and this one will be thrown in the trash, I promise. Then we have liquid eyeshadow. So I've been meaning to play around with these a little bit more. These are those e.l.f. cream or e.l.f. liquid eyeshadows. Why can't I talk? I think it's because I haven't had breakfast. This one's in the color Copper Pop. So I just want to use this one a little bit more. And this is perfect for the summertime. You guys can see I've used it quite a bit already. So that's the last, that one. Then we brought in an eyeshadow duo. And I thought back and forth, back and forth. I don't have many eyeshadow duos that I have in my summer drawers, but I do have one that I only use in the summer because of its color. And I'm wearing it today on my eyes. This is the Patrick Ta duo in Do You Know Who I Am? These colors I would only wear this time of year because of how golden they are. So this is why I decided to bring this one in. I know the packaging is so reflecting that I can't really show you the true color. It's like a yellow gold and then a champagne gold. Can you see it there? Like that's what they look like. So I would only use these 2 shades now. Obviously today I put it on. So I am going to wear those 5 uses. And then the last one was a pressed pigment. And then I brought this in. I haven't used these in a while. These are my Hourglass Scattered Eye. These are those pressed pigments. And I brought in the color Ray. Ray is a color that I love in the summertime. And it is perfect for like those one and done shades. So I'm going to bring this one. I really do like the array of different shades that I have this time. This time around, it's not all cream and liquids, which I'm very excited. I have at least 2 that are powder, and these are more like toppers, one and done. So these are going to be a little bit easier for me to use. These are more of like a layering kind of thing. And then obviously this one's going to be pretty easy for me. I am excited for this. I love this. I love that I can rotate throughout my collection and pick different things. And so far I've been picking very different products. As I'm looking at my list, everything has been pretty well spread out. And I don't feel like I'm doing the same repetitiveness over and over and over. All right, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying this one. So that is it. I'm sorry that I lost another product on purpose. lost. I threw it out. It's just, I couldn't. I don't hate pan. I'm sorry, guys. And I'm not going to torture my body and ruin my face just to say that I used something. It ain't happening. Not on this channel, at least not for me. All right, guys, that's all that I have. Thank you guys so much for watching. May God bless you always. I will catch you guys in the next video.